This model kit review is of the Suzuki GSX1300R, and it is a 1/12 scale model by Tamiya. Got some beautiful box art here, two different versions, and here's a picture of the model from the side, as well as some details there, dimensions. Shows us the three different types of transparent glass. That's a nice feature, so you don't have to paint those particular pieces. Well, I've got a lot of parts here. Now let's start off with this one. Here we've got our wheels, front and back. Got radiator parts here. Looks like this is part of our stand. No, sorry, these are actually part of our exhausts here, and hoses. Got some engine parts here, more engine parts. Here are the handlebars. Here's the top of the front fork, more engine parts, and our chain. Just beautifully molded. No mold lines, no flashing. Here is the, what looks like the front of the bike. Not much there to pull out. Okay, so there's our fuel tank. We do have a mold line. It's a little unusual, but obviously this is a difficult part to mold just because of its shape. And then there is the front of the bike. Here we've got a screwdriver for all the screws. These bikes tend to have a lot of screws to hold it together. There's the spring for the rear damper. We've got some beautiful tires. Also have some tubing for hoses and lines and so on. We do have some chrome parts here, and I like the way that Tamiya usually does their chrome. This looks like a little bit more shiny than usual, but here's our front light, some side mirrors, and then exhaust parts. Here we've got the frame in chrome, beautifully molded. There's the swing arm for the rear axle, is going to go through there. That is just beautiful. This one looks like we have some exhaust parts and engine parts. Here we have the bulk of the engine. Look at the detail. And the molding quality is just perfect. We've got disc brakes, rear disc brakes, or brake, and then front. See the holes there for the drill, we'll have to drill them out. And then there's our exhaust. Got some foot pedals there, but just beautiful. Glass parts here. Looks like we have our headlights and windshield in clear, but that has no distortion. And then we've got blinker and tail lights in amber, orange, and red. Then we've got, looks like this is for the display panel here. We've got some more hoses and so on for the engine. Some more body parts. There's our seat, nicely molded. We've got our side mirrors. Okay, last set of screws here are the cowls, and And those are just beautiful. There's the fender. Okay, we've got some decals here. Let's have a look at those. Looks like we also have some silver parts here. You have to cut those out for the mirror effect. I wish they hadn't printed on there. You could use it for other models. It's beautiful reflective silver. Here are decals, different colors. Those are beautifully printed. And then, oh, there we go, masks. Very nice. I guess you have to cut them out. Unfortunately, these are not pre-cut, which is a little disappointing, but it really depends on your own accuracy. Okay, let's have a look here at our instructions. There are some details there about the bike. And those are the colors needed with their various codes. And so these ones here with the white circle, see the circle there, those are body colors, so there's different options there. Okay, so we start off with the engine. More engine parts there. Then we put the frame together. And then we put the tire together. That's the wheels and tires. Next we've got the swing arm and rear damper. Then we put the chain on and rear wheel goes on. And then the swing arm goes onto the frame. There's the front fork with the front wheel. The steering and radiator go on there. And the front fork is then attached with handlebars, all the different hoses, that length. And then we're starting to put the, I call it the subframe together here. And then the pedals. Both sides there's the muffler with the exhaust pipe. Once that's all assembled, it's mounted on the bike. Now here's the body, so these are the different body options there, so make sure you read that well, choose your options, although to be honest, make it yours, do whatever you want. And the cowling have those two different colors, so that's what the masks are for. There's the upper cowling with lights and instrument panel. There's the tail with the brake light, fuel tank, and all the other cowls are then mounted. Here's the extra pieces there. Seats mounted, and then side cowls are put on. So there's some details here about painting. And over here we have our paint and decal guide. And that is a very nice bike. Typical Tamiya quality, and lots of nice details and features. That's going to be a great build.